Take a moment to check out the 2022 Subaru WRX. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The scenic route is a lot more exciting in this WRX. Rally car athleticism, all-wheel drive, and touchscreen infotainment make this edgy compact sports sedan your go-to for performance thrills. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, premium sound system, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection. Don't miss your chance for excitement. Get into this WRX. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.